Hello and welcome back to another episode on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add device on Amazon Prime. For adding device on Amazon Prime, head over to the web browser on your device and there search for primevideo.com and then get logged into your account. After that, tap on small arrow at the top right. Now tap on account and settings option. Now tap on your devices section. Now here you can see register another device option. Now to add another device, tap on register new device button. Now in this page you need to type in your registration code and then tap on register device to register your another device. Now if you don't have your registration code yet, then you can just follow these 3 steps and get your registration code. Now once you get your registration code, it will look something like this, and then tap on register device button. And that was the easy and simple way to register another device on Amazon Prime Video. I hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.